In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Calendar invites by email with a Zoom link. This process can help streamline your scheduling and make it easy for guests to join your meetings online. We'll walk through every step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to send out your invites seamlessly. Firstly, you'll want to open up Google Calendar. You can do this by heading over to your web browser and searching for Google Calendar, or by using a bookmark if you have it saved. Once your calendar is open, look for the Create button. It's typically located on the left side of your screen. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Event. This is where you'll begin to set up your new meeting. Now, with the event window open, start by entering all the essential details for your meeting. Give it a clear and descriptive title so that your guests know what to expect. Afterward, ensure that you've correctly set the date and time so that everyone knows when the meeting will take place. Moving on to one of the most critical aspects, let's incorporate the Zoom link. In the event window, you'll notice a section labeled either Location or Description. Here's where you're going to paste that all-important Zoom meeting link. By placing the link in this section, you're guaranteeing that it will be included in the calendar invite, allowing your participants to access it easily. The next step is about including your participants. Look for the option that says Add Guests. In the provided field, type in each of your guests' email addresses. You can add multiple guests by simply entering each email address separated by a comma, and make sure to double check for typos to ensure that each attendee receives their invite. Once you have entered all necessary information, you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and click on Save. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will prompt you to send an invite to your guests. Confirm by selecting Send, and your invite, complete with the Zoom link, will be on its way to your guests' email inboxes. It's as simple and convenient as that. By following these steps, you ensure that your event invitations are both professional and straightforward, providing your guests with all the necessary information to join your meetings effortlessly. This method is the easiest way to combine the efficiency of Google Calendar with the flexibility of Zoom, making it a reliable choice for your scheduling needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your virtual meetings will be smooth and productive. Thank you for joining me today, and happy scheduling.